ஹலோ குட்டீஸ், வெல்கம் டு குட்டீஸ் கலாட்டா கற்றல் உலகம். இன்னைக்கு நம்ம பார்க்க போறது குட் ஹேபிட்ஸ்.
Get up early in the morning.
Brush your teeth twice in a day.
Take bath every day.
Comb your hair neatly. Wash your hands before and after meal. Always put garbage in the dustbin.
Drink plenty of water.
Finish your homework on time.
Eat healthy food.
Cover your mouth when you sneeze.
Hot.
Cut your nail regularly.
Go to bed on time. Tatvalu Dalatavam Undwada. Idudon Tutti Talata Tatvalu. Thank you, Tutti. Bye.